Right, we've got presents. We love presents. We bought ourselves a present. What have we bought ourselves? What's the part number, Destiny? Where is the part
where is
number? It's what? Where am I losing the part number?
On the bottom.
Well, that's probably me. I can't blame Land Rover for that. That's
I've lost myself.
The gimbal's gonna go wild.
There we go.
There we go. That part number. And what is it? It's for our 90. This has been on back order for like 4 months. I think we've had this up. This is wild. Right. This is going to transform our lives. Our relationship with our 90 is going to blossom. We've got some. We like packing. Good packing. Recyclable. No single-use plastics. It's this. Right. So this is going to transform our 90. This step that we have here. The curse of the 90 is going to be banished. Land Rover have redesigned it. And this is now, it came in 2023 apparently, you can spec this. Right, so let's have a look at it. It's injection moulded, it's a sort of tough, we got some little felty bits here. We like little felty bits. It's got some little metal brackets at the back, look. Right, and what you do is, this is the easiest fitting video ever. You take this boot floor out. Now note, as we take it out, oh gosh, clobber my car. Right then. Note you've got these little bits here. These will come into their own in just a second. And we've got these, this is quite a clever little board actually. It looks like a fibre reinforced board. I was thinking of making these in wood with like aluminium inset rails. Let me know if you'd like that. I was just looking at that this morning. Put you down. Right. So this outline here with the felty bits should be exactly the same, and it's going to sit in this little recess here. Oh look, see that little peg there? See that? Do you reckon it's got the oh look, it has. Look, it's got the little holes for those two little pegs. Look, I'd never noticed those pegs before. Sorry pegs, I've overlooked you. Right, so this is going to go in here. Is it going to be a Tetris thing, or are we in? We're in. Right, and it sort of sits there. Now there's nothing keeping it down as such because it hasn't got the springy bits like those, has it? So it does have these Velcro straps, but we haven't quite worked these Velcro straps out, have we? Because they're only that big. Maybe they're supposed to go round the edge and go down on your securing loops. Maybe, because those securing loops do pop up. I'm going to say that's what I've got mine out. Right, so that's that. It feels a little bit spongy on the floor there, doesn't it? Can you see that flexing?
Yeah.
There we go. Right, okay. We'll have a look at other things. We'll have a critique in a minute. Then the boot floor, your original boot floor, simply goes in here. And look, it's transformed it all. It goes under, oh gosh, I've got it in wrong, look at me. So you've got to get it under these metal clips at the back, right? And then these little springy clips that we saw earlier, they're going to go into these two little recesses there. You've got two little, so it should go down with a sort of pop. And that gives us a sort of hidden boot floor, good for security, good for stuff like you want to just carry around with you all the time. But it's supposed to come into its own when we fold the seats down. So, but who's calling me now? Right. Who's calling me, Destiny?
I don't know.
Don't know. Who's calling me? Who's giving me a hard time? Just George, don't worry, my son. Right. So that is, but it is not flat because the seat base isn't removable. It doesn't go up like that so the top can go down. It doesn't do one of those like it does in most cars. It does in the newest 2024 Defender 90. But let's have a look. But apparently you can pull the seat swab out and throw it away. But be careful. So we'll go and do that in a minute. We'll just get a bit more light. Oh, well done, Destiny. You've managed to open the sunroof blind. Right. We'll jump in now and we'll try and put the seats back up and we'll see how flat we can get it. And then we'll have a look at some of the issues around this. Because you can get your hand in here. We've got big gaps in these corners here. Look, massive gaps. But let's see how flat we can get it. Could we get a washing machine, for example? Look at me. Modern domesticated. Right, let's go and rip the insides apart. So there we go. So you can see that's as far down as they go. And we're not exactly flat, are we? I don't need a spirit level to tell me that ain't flat. So apparently you can rip this out. Now I'm not sure Oh, that's out the battery, isn't it? I'm not sure I've ever had this one out. Or we have. Right, if you haven't had it out, you have to give it a proper tug, and I'll show you why in a minute. Now, has this got heated seats, this one? If it's got heated seats, you've got to be careful. Right, so what have we got here? We've got these little mouths here. See this little sort of, what colour's that? Mint green.
Mint green!
Mint green. We have 1 and 2 at the back. So you've got 4 of those. And they latch onto these little loopity loops here. So they're not too bad, but normally these little mint green things, they break. In fact, I think you can, I'm pretty sure that front one's broken, which is fine because you ain't going to go flying around. Right, so, but you've got nowhere really to put that. Let me, I'm trying to keep it all in the car, Destiny. Destiny's going, get. I'm trying to see if I can put it here. Can we put it here and then fold these back? Oh, come back, Honda Jazz, all is forgiven. Right, so that will go, oh. Hold on, I'm struggling here. I'm struggling hard. I wanted to try and keep that in, Destiny, so that when I've delivered my washing machine, I can pick up some kids or something. Right then. Oh, here we go. Right then. Can we, yeah, look, that sort of works, doesn't it? Right, let's go and have a look at that from the back. Are we washing machineable now? Right, can we get our box in there now? It's better, isn't it? Yeah, so that is the boot floor sort of thingy thing. Now, we are working on our own solution. I've got it here, by chance actually. Our own solution, we're nearly there. And that's going to be 2 side plates that go either side here, bolt down into the bolts used for the hooks, and there's a tray that slides in. So that's going to be our solution.
You got an example of the tray here.
We've got an example. Look, we've laser cut. Look, we've been doing some work. Look at us. And then that's going to go in there. Okay. That's what we're working on because we like to be different. And for customers, choice is good, isn't it? So, but for now, we will try and get these for sale on the website because they're here now. But yeah, I would say that the problem is it just doesn't fit because you're left with all this gaping edge. The good news is you can get to your charging point, and if you've got the 240 volt socket with Land Rover's solution, you've got half a chance, possibly. I may have bigged them up there, right? So there we go. That is the load space floor flattener edition from Land Rover, and I think they do one for the 130 as well, because I think the 130 is in a similar sort of situation. We will do the kit for taking out the back seats and doing a rear flat floor. I'll put a picture. I did do a video of that when we had the Model X, but I never finished that project. But we're nearly there. Right, that's it. Have fun.